This week, Harbor Freight is having a parking lot sale, and I went for just one thing, and then this happened. Today I'm going to break down everything I grabbed during the parking lot sale, what I paid. I scored some serious deals, some questionable purchases, and I grabbed 5 of the most controversial tool sets in the store. And here's the kicker. I'm giving all 5 away when we hit 50,000 subscribers. So stay to the end where I'll give details. All right, the first item I'm going to cover is the one item that I did go to the store for on the sale, because this is going to be the actual best deal to go for. And it's on the Quinn 48-piece Master Impact Socket Set in the 3/8 drive. So it does include 20 impact sockets, regular size, 20 of the deep impact sockets, 3 of the impact extension bars, an impact universal joint, and 4 impact adapters that'll be able to accommodate the different sizes. So back in December, I did pick up the Milwaukee stubby impact wrench on an awesome deal. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure that you are, because I did mention that deal in a video, and it was an online only deal on homedepot.com, and it was one day only. So I picked up an awesome deal on that, and then now in turn I need some 3/8 impact sockets to go with that. So this is going to be a great all-around kit. It does include both the SAE and metric size in the 6-point sockets. The sockets that it does include is metric from 8mm to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch. That's the regular size ones. The deep impact sockets is again 8mm to 19mm, and the SAE is 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch. Then it has the 3 extension bars of 3, 6, and 10 inch. And then it has the 3/8 drive impact adapters, so you can step up SAE from 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch, 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, or you can step down in the SAE from 3/8 to a 1/4 or 1 inch to 3/8. And obviously Quinn, coming with a lifetime warranty, can't really beat this deal, because the normal price is at $100, and it was, or it still is actually, on an instant savings deal of saving $15. So it was priced in the store currently at $84.99, and with the current deal in the parking lot sale, I was able to save 35% on that. So it brought it down to $55.24. That is being able to stack the deal with instant savings. And I know I've heard from some of you guys in the past videos that your store doesn't allow it, and I really don't know why that is. There should not be any difference among the stores since they are corporate owned, but it works at my store, and I have confirmation from multiple other people throughout the US that it works at their store as well. So maybe try to twist their arm at your store and get them to do the stack deal, because I could not pass this deal up for only $55 for this set. All right, the next item I picked up was the Quinn 83-piece 1/2 inch drive master socket set. It includes a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4-degree arc swing, obviously 1/2 inch drive, and they are 6-point sockets. It does include 39 shallow sockets, 39 deep sockets, 2 extension bars, 1 breaker bar, and a universal joint. And obviously comes in a nice hard plastic case to be able to store them in if that's your choice. But I decided to go with the Quinn, and you'll probably actually laugh at the current set I have, which is a DeWalt socket and wrench set combined into one case. And so I was looking to upgrade my sockets, and I decided to go the Quinn route because I've heard from so many of you guys how good Quinn is, as well as other channels mentioning it, and just how impressed they are with the Quinn set overall. And I decided to go the Quinn route too, because I was analyzing the deal between the Icon sets, like their service sets of the 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive. And with the discount, the Icon sets for those 2 only was going to be like around $180. So I went with the Quinn route because I was able to pick up the 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 and 1/4 inch ones for only $20 more than what the 2 Icon sets were going to be. And I'm by no means a mechanic or a pretend mechanic or anything, but I was looking for a decent quality of sockets and to have a full set of sockets. These are no skipping size, and these Quinn sockets do offer more sizes versus the Icon sockets do. So it's a full range of sockets with every size from 3/8 to 1 and 5/16 and 10mm to 32mm, both deep and standard socket lengths. The other thing that's great about these Quinn sets is that it is their better ratchet versus other sets that they have, where this is like a sealed ratchet versus the other ratchets they have in other sets have screws over here, and I've heard of some of those having problems. So that was the other deciding factor to go with these Quinn master socket sets. So this kit is normally priced at $155, so I was able to save 35% on that. So it brought it down to $100.74. All right, the next set is no surprise since I kind of gave a preview. It's the Quinn 72-piece 3/8 drive master socket set. So this has 34 shallow sockets and 34 deep sockets, 2 extension bars, 1 universal joint, and the ultra thin sealed head ratchet, which is also a 90-tooth ratchet with the 4-degree arc swing. These are also 6-point sockets. The sizes do range from 1/4 inch to 1 inch and 6 millimeter to 24 millimeter in both the deep and standard socket lengths. All right, and then the next set is no surprise, is the 1/4 inch drive master socket set. So it's 54 pieces total. It does have 24 of the shallow sockets, 24 of the deep sockets, 2 extension bars, a universal joint, a hex bit holder, a spinner handle, and an ultra thin sealed head ratchet again. So again, this set does not have the other version of the ratchet where it has the 2 screws on the top part of the ratchet. It's also a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4-degree arc swing in the 1/4 inch drive, and these sockets are also 6-point sockets. It does have the full range of sockets with every size from 5/32 to 9/16 and 4 millimeter to 14 millimeter in both the deep and standard socket lengths. So this set normally does retail at $55, and with that saving the 35% on it, I picked it up for $35.74. All right, the next deal I picked up is on the Icon Master Brake Caliper set. So this is a good all-around set. It's a 20-piece total. It does include 17 of the carbon steel adapter plates that fits specific pistons. And it obviously comes with a lifetime warranty. A nice, hard, premium heavy-duty storage case is included with that to keep everything organized. It does have left-handed and right-handed thrust bolt assembles. So depending on if the caliper has to twist, that's what those would be used for. And obviously it comes with all these different adapters, and I'm going to be facing a brake job probably within this year, so I decided to pick this up on the good deal because it is normally priced at $70, and with the parking lot sale price was $49.99, which is saving $20. Otherwise, it's 28% off. And I've done other brake jobs in the past where I had to use C-clamps and other configurations to get the pistons to go in, and this kit should make light work of doing brake jobs, no matter what kind of vehicle it is. All right, the next items I picked up is on the Icon Professional Ball End L-shaped hex wrench set in both the metric and SAE. They are each 13-piece sets, and the ranges for the metric does range from 1.5 millimeter up to 10 millimeter, and the SAE ranges from 0.05 to 3/8, and it is made of high torque S2 steel. They obviously come with a lifetime warranty, and it was a great deal on these because they are normally priced at $25 each. I was able to save $8 on each of them, so it made the prices be $16.99 each. Good deal on the Icon. All right, the next deal I picked up is on the Braun 500 lumen magnetic folding rechargeable slim bar work light. Now, if you are familiar with my videos, you know already that I like to pick up flashlights, and I must have been living in the dark in a past life, so I'd never want to be without a light. So I heard so many good reviews from you guys mentioning how awesome this light is, and it's actually comparable to the Icon slim bar light. And the thing that's nice about this one is that the head of it does swivel basically 300 degrees or 360 degrees on each side, so it fully folds up. It does offer different modes to it, as well as has a top light here for different types of light that you possibly need. The other thing that's great about it is that it is rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it has a magnetic base to it, so you can stick it to metal objects and then have light wherever you need it. So this was an awesome deal that I could not pass because it is normally priced at $30 and actually saved 50% on that, making it only $15. So an excellent deal on the Braun flashlight. All right, the next item I picked up is the Icon 1/4 inch drive compact socket and bit set. This is the Icon Meme 2.0 tool set, and it was included in the 35% off socket deal. They're normally priced at $80, which is kind of steep in my opinion for this set, but it is a great all-around set with the 52 pieces. That does include even bits like security bits and hex bits, as well as obviously the sockets and ratchet, and even a handle too that you could put the sockets on, because it has a 1/4 inch drive on that. The sockets do range from 5 millimeter to 14 millimeter in the millimeter sizes, and then 3/16 to 9/16 of the SAE sockets. It has 24 other bits, which the sockets itself is 21 shallow sockets with no skips. It does have 24 bits with Torx, hex, and posi drive bits, as well as Phillips 1 and 2 and 3. So it's a good all-around kit. It comes in a nice hard case. Even has a universal joint I'll show you the back of the package. So that's everything that it does include, and obviously has a lifetime warranty. So awesome deal on the Icon. Since it is normally priced at 80 bucks, I was able to pick it up for $52, saving that 35%. Now, you might be wondering, why do I have two of them? Well, I'll tell you, but just hold on. So I not only have two of them, I actually have 5 of them, and it's going to bring me to my next point. So as I mentioned earlier in the video towards the beginning, is that I bought 5 of the most controversial tool sets in the store. So this will be the next big giveaway that I do here on the channel, and it's when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. Right now we're sitting at 38,500, somewhere around there. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe for these deal videos that I do, and tool hauls, as well as DIY projects and tips. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And then if you are subscribed, if you have other tool buddies, the best thing you can do to help the channel out is simply share my videos, and maybe they'll be compelled to subscribe to be able to save money on tools. And one other thing that I did pick up at the parking lot sale is on the US General 6-drawer cart, which they did not have that in stock. I had to order it. The normal retail price on that is 600 bucks, and I was able to save 25% on that, which was $150 off. So it made it 450 bucks. I did order it in white to go with my other 4-drawer cart that I had converted into a 5-drawer cart. So they did say that'll be in probably like the first part of April. So I obviously couldn't show it here in the video. I can only show you a picture of it. So it's definitely an excellent deal on that cart, because saving 25%, haven't really seen a bigger deal than saving the 25%. So it's an excellent time to pick up one of those, because we hardly see sales on that cart in particular. All right, so I'm curious to know what you guys think of my tool haul from the Harbor Freight's parking lot sale here in March of 2026. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below if I did good or not, and if there was any other things that I missed out. But I gave you the logic for what I chose with the Quinn sockets, and hopefully I made a good decision going with the Quinn. So if you like content like this, be sure that you are subscribed, and let's get to 50,000 subscribers so I can give these 5 Icon sets away. I really do appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.